After you've completed all of your choice boards, it's time to put everything together in one slideshow. So the first slide, you need to insert your name here where it says put your name. Next slide is all about the directions, but I'm going to explain them to you here as well, so you can read that after watching this video. The next slide is about teamwork. So here in the red it says link teamwork choice board here. So to do that, I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to search for my choice board. So teamwork choice board. Here's mine. Now mine's not going to have mine linked in because I haven't done that. Yours should have your evidence already linked in here. So make sure you pick the teamwork choice board that has your evidence linked in already. Then you're going to click the share button. This is the most important part where it says get link. When you click on it, make sure it says anyone with the link can view it. So that way anybody who needs to grade it, whether it be here, the teachers here at the school, or the staff at the district office, they can grade it. So then you copy link, you go back to your slideshow, highlight, right click, link, then you need to paste in that link you copied off of your Google Drive. I'm going to take link in here off, and I'm just going to push apply. Now if you notice, if I hover over this or click on it, it shows my choice board that I completed. Now, make sure yours does that. Next, you need to score yourself, okay, on teamwork. So you need to read these 4 choices, 1, 2, 3, 4, and decide whether your evidence on your teamwork board satisfies which one of these scores here. Let's say you think you should get a mastery score of 3. You're going to click right there and put an X. So that's your self score. Next you will see there's another row for just score. Leave that blank. That is for anybody who scores yours when it comes to teachers and staff. Next in the red here, you have to provide a rationale for that score you gave yourself for teamwork. And you need to answer the following questions. Why do you deserve this score? How does your evidence in your choice board support the teamwork indicator? If you need to look back at your teamwork choice board, that might be very helpful so you can remember what you submitted. And you actually type your answers here, or your rationales here. So, I deserve this score because, and then you would finish answering that. And then you can go to the next sentence that says, my evidence in the choice board, my evidence supports the teamwork indicator by, and then describe that. Okay, so how does your evidence support the score that you gave yourself for that indicator? You're going to do this for every indicator. So communication, you're going to link the communication choice board. Self-score yourself, provide a rationale. You do that for all 6. You have growth and achievement, innovation, creativity, purpose, and service. Once you get this completely finished, you then need to upload this into PLP and TOTE. And you're like, Ms. Ham, what is TOTE? So I mentioned this here. Once you submitted in PLP and on TOTE, okay, you need to once you've completed, you must submit this in PLP and TOTE. So let me show you what TOTE is, and I'll provide you with this URL. So TOTE is, well, first off, this is the website you're going to go to. It's the DDL, Digital Driver's License. You're going to sign in with your school Google account. So your school email and password. You're going to scroll down until you see TOTE Digital Portfolio. So this is an online portfolio where all staff members and here at middle school and the central office has access to, so that way they can score your evidence in order to see if you promote to the next grade level. So you click on tote. Okay. Then you'll see the first thing. It says create your artifacts. Click create your artifacts. And you see I have one from 2019, 2020. You won't have that, more than likely. But you want to go to create new artifact. And you're going to title it 8th, whatever grade you're in, 8th or 7th, whichever one you're in, 8th grade, BPI evidence. Make sure you have the correct year and that it's the spring semester. And you click create artifact. Now you have it created. You need to go to edit. And you need to add a link in. You're going to add the link from this BPI slideshow that you have completed. So if you go back here, add links, okay, you can paste in your link or you can select it from your Google Drive. Okay, so let me show you. If you're going to share, add the link, you go to share, click get link. Make sure it says anybody with the link. Copy. Then go here and paste it. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, you can also go to select from Google Drive. Oh, maybe you can't do that. Just do the way I told you by adding in the URL right there. Enter a short label. So this is your whatever grade. I'm going to put 8th, but you might be a 7th grader. 8th grade BPI evidence slideshow. And then attach it. So now you see it's attached right there. If I click view, it should pop up. See, it popped up. And then make sure you click save, return back to artifact summary, and it's right there. And that's all you have to do and you're done. Then you'll get graded and we'll let you know if you get promoted to the next year based on your BPI evidence. Now that doesn't, it also involves your grades that you have in all your classes as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.